guys, it's me Tata, and today I will show you graduation makeup. First, put the foundation. I don't do contouring, he is no longer in fashion and I don't like him. Then I put white shadows on my eyes. And then in the area of the triangle I put light brown shadows. After that I put like pink shadows on the area of the inner eyelid. Finally the liner and mascara. I will make lipstick in the style of ombre. First do the contour, then apply burgundy lipstick and then red.